Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on AIXCoder. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in AIXCoder.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official AIXCoder website. Click on the English button at the top right corner to change the language into English. Then you will find the login button. Go ahead and click on it. And now, in order to sign up and create a new account, you will need to use the OTP login section. Go ahead and type in either your phone number or your email address, and then click on the Get button. Once you click on it, you will receive a code within your email address or your phone number. So check your inbox if you used your email address, and your SMS if you used your SMS feature. Once you find your verification code, simply enter it within the verification box and then click on the login/sign up button. And now you will directly be signed up to your account on AIXCoder and you can immediately start using it. In order to create a password for your account, go ahead and click on Personal Center and click on Account Manage. Now from the account security page, you can go ahead and click on Create Password. After typing in your password twice, click on the Confirm button and now your password will be saved. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on AIXCoder. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.